Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me officially wishing you a prosperous, blessed, favored and amazing 2024. Happy New Year to every one of you watching me. Okay, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Weena. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a particular product. I'll be giving you my honest and sincerest opinion on this body scrub. Okay, it is very affordable, so if you're on a budget and you've been thinking, because a lot of people have done review on this particular scrub, okay, I've been hearing a lot of things, and in fact I was scared to buy it, but I took that bold step and I got it at the time I got it, because then I was kind of broke. I not to get money that time, so I just said okay, let me get this product. It's an opportunity to buy it and try it out. So I'm going to be telling you how this product works and what I think about it, and if you should go ahead to buy it. Okay, and the skin type it is also suitable for. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So baby girls, baby boys, so the scrub I'm going to be reviewing today is this Cool Spa Salt Scrub Bath. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is a turmeric variant. It comes in different variants, and if you can see properly, I've used it from here to here, up to here. So I've used like more than half of the bottle already. So I'm not telling you something or reviewing something I've never used or I just heard from somewhere. So be rest assured I'm giving you the correct thing, everything you want to know, the A to the Z of this body scrub. Okay, so this scrub comes in different variants. We have the rose, the mineral, the goat milk, the turmeric, a lot of them. I'm going to put up the picture so you can see, so you can go for any one you want. And this scrub is 450 ml, which is kind of big for the price, and it's going to last you for a while. Okay, so for this scrub, first of all, let me start with skin types. So if you know, this scrub is not good for two, or will I say three set of people, but I'll explain what I mean. Okay, if you have a sensitive skin, you can be a dry skin or an oily skin, but your skin is still sensitive. As far as your skin is sensitive, if you know you have a sensitive skin, avoid this scrub. Secondly, if you know you have a dry skin, you have this dry skin, avoid this scrub. Okay, because it is a salt scrub, and salt scrub is more tough, or will I say harsh, than sugar scrub or emulsifying scrub. Do you get all these scrubs that are creamy? So if you have a dry skin, if you have a sensitive skin, whether you are oily, you have this oily skin but your skin is sensitive, avoid this scrub. Okay, so if you have a normal skin, an oily skin that is not sensitive, and combination skin, in fact for combination skin I can't really tell, but if you have a combination skin and you want to use this, please just try it out and see, because it might work for some and it might not work for some. There are some people that are combination skin that their skin is still sensitive, so if you know your skin is sensitive, just avoid it. Okay, so this scrub is sold for around 3,000 naira. Okay, in our store we sell it for 3,000 naira, the original one. You know, we sell original things. So if you know you're interested in, after this review, you're interested in getting original skincare products, like we just started, so we don't have all products. So if you want to get this particular product in any variant, please just go to our description box and send us a message via WhatsApp. Okay, so we can send it to you anywhere you are in Nigeria. As far as you're in Nigeria, we can deliver to you. All right, so this scrub is sold for 3,000 naira from our store. You can get it for around this range anywhere in Nigeria, so it's a very affordable scrub. And if you're on a tight budget or you're a student, this scrub is perfect. It's going to last you for a while. Okay, and if you want to use this scrub, make sure to use it just 2 times a week. Don't use it every day, don't use it 3 times a week, just 2 times a week is fine. Monday and Thursdays, that is when I use it, so you can choose any other day. So guys, one misconception about this turmeric Cool Spa scrub is the fact that people know that turmeric is highly pigmented, like the color is so strong that when it stains your clothes or it stains somewhere, it is difficult to get rid of those things. Okay, but with this particular variant, this turmeric Cool Spa scrub, it is not like that. The tiles in my bathroom is white, and of course I scrub in my bathroom, and I don't have to pick up a brush to scrub after. Once you're rinsing your body, the whole thing is washing off on its own, so it is not highly pigmented, which I love about it. And it has this aromatic oil in it, so when you're using it, you just have this spa vibes. Okay, that's why they call it cool spa. It just has a spa vibes. This aromatic vibe makes you feel relaxed and so cool. That is how I feel when I'm using this scrub. So it is a nice scrub. Another thing I love about this body scrub is the fact that it is a herbal body scrub made with natural extracts, roots, and aromatic oils and scents. Okay, so it's something you definitely love when using. Okay, and secondly, you need to know that if you are a lover of sharp growing, like you love to feel you are exfoliating your skin, you love to feel those grains, go for this scrub, because you will definitely feel that you are exfoliating your skin. You will feel the dead skin cells coming off your skin when using this scrub. Okay, it is very sharp, and that is why I advise that when you're using this, be gentle on your skin. After you wash your skin with your body wash, your body soap, you rinse it off, you go in with this, you pour it on your skin and exfoliate gently in a circular motion. Look at how I'm demonstrating it. Gently in a circular motion, you exfoliate the places you want to exfoliate. Your neck, you go in gently, your knees, your legs, your elbows, your lap, wherever you feel you want to exfoliate. Okay, you go in gently and exfoliate it gently, all right, so that you don't tear your skin. Salt scrub is very sharp and it can actually tear your skin and give you tears, and we don't want that. All right, then another thing is, when you're using salt scrub, please know that you have to deeply moisturize your skin. Okay, it is not an emulsifying scrub or a creamy scrub that has moisturizing properties. No, this one actually dries out your skin. So go and get a very good moisturizer. If your moisturizer or your lotion is not very moisturizing, please make sure to get a good body oil. We sell affordable body oils. Okay, the one I use is the Dysa Argan oil. Dysa has lots of variants. There's the coconut oil, argan oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, anyone you want. Just send us a message. Just make sure you're shopping from Yanga Beauty Shop. All right, we sell original and affordable products. Okay, and if you're in Nigeria, we'll deliver to you. Okay, so make sure to deeply moisturize your skin, and moisturize on a damp or slightly wet skin. Don't just wait for all the water on your skin to dry, then you now start applying lotion. No, make sure your skin is slightly wet, then you apply your lotion. Okay, so another thing that I'm sure you would love about this turmeric salt scrub is the fact that turmeric is known to be a brightening agent. Okay, it helps to lighten up your skin and evens out your skin complexion. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation or you have dark spots on your skin, this scrub is a perfect one for you. Aside from the fact that it is affordable, and we know, okay, it dries out the skin, which I've given you a solution to that already. Getting a good moisturizer or using your lotion and getting a very good body oil to use together with it, so that it can deeply moisturize your skin. Okay, it is a very good scrub. So if you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, this scrub is perfect for you. Okay, with time, you will definitely notice that your skin will begin to light up. Your skin will get brighter, and your dark spots will begin to fade off. All right, so just make sure you use this scrub twice a week, and make sure you're using other good products as well. Like your body lotion should be nice, or you can use a very good, if you have hyperpigmentation, you can also use Kojisan lightening soap. We also have that in our online beauty store. Okay, so send us a message to order for them. All right, so we sell the original Kojisan. We sell the original. Look at me advertising myself. So send us a message. All right, and another thing, this scrub should not be used on your face. No matter what, don't use this scrub on your face. It is not suitable for your face, just your body. All right, so my loves, I have told you everything you need to know about this cool spa bath scrub. All right, everything. Let me just quickly do a recap. Make sure you use this scrub just 2 times a week. Okay, 2 times a week. Don't use it more than 2 times a week. Secondly, exfoliate gently. Thirdly, I have told you the skin types that should use it. So if you don't get that, go back and watch this video to understand the skin types that should be using this scrub. Okay, and if you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, you can start using this scrub. it doesn't work like magic. You don't expect it to do the job in 2 weeks. You have to be consistent. You might use up to 2-3 bottles before you start seeing results safe. So you have to be patient. It is just a body scrub. If you want the result to be very good, you use other products alongside, like other good products that helps to take care of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Okay. And what else? I think I've said everything, right? So just make sure to follow the instructions and the steps I've given in this video, and you will not have a problem using this scrub, because that is what I use and it is good on me. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget we have an online skincare shop. It is called Yanga Beauty Shop on Instagram. So go to my description box and send us a WhatsApp message to order for any of these products I just talked about in this video. They are all available and we sell original products. So as far as you are in Nigeria, we are in Lagos. We don't have an online offline store. So even if you are anywhere in Nigeria, we can deliver to you. So just make sure to send us a message and patronize your girl. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, like this video, drop a comment, ask questions, and I'll be there to respond to all of your questions. And do well to watch other of my videos. I have a lot of videos talking about supplements that will make you glow, a lot of videos, reviews on products, so just check them out. And thank you all so much. Like, come your way next time. Take care. Bye.